An empty mind. A young man sat by the riverbank under the shadow of the night. The soft murmur of flowing water and the gentle, cool breeze created a mysterious atmosphere. He gazed at the waves playing in the moonlight, but inside him, a storm raged. Why can't I empty my mind? He muttered to himself. Countless thoughts swirled in his head, past mistakes, worries about the future, people's opinions, fear of failure. He wanted to let go of everything, but the chains of his thoughts held him captive. Suddenly, an elderly man came and sat nearby. His eyes radiated peace, as if he was free from all the sorrows of the world. The young man looked at him and asked, "Babaji, I want to empty my mind, but it seems impossible. Every time I try to get rid of one thought, another takes its place. How can I find peace?" The old man smiled and pointed toward the river. "Do you see this water?" The young man nodded. "If you try to hold water in your hand, what will happen? It will slip away," the young man replied. "Exactly, thoughts are like water. The more you try to grasp them, the more they will flow. But if you let them come and go without resistance, your mind will empty itself naturally." The young man remained silent for a moment, then smiled. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and allowed his thoughts to flow freely just like the waves in the river. Moments later, he felt a sense of tranquility. For the first time, he had truly experienced an empty mind.